Well, here we are. This is Red Cat Racing's single speed central differential gearbox. Now that is out in your hand, you can easily see if your spur gear is broken and you can replace it. Once again, you need to start by removing the drive cup first. Do not remove the one which is at the brake side. Just remove the one at the other side. Now all you need to do is take these two screws out. Now this plate is free, take it out, and remember there are two bearings here. Do not lose them. There is one here as well. So we have got 3 bearings here. Do not lose them. And I see lots of sand from our first run. Oh my god, how long do I have to clean this sand? Well, this teaches you never let your truck dive into a river. Or let's say the beach. Right, here we are. This is your spur gear. You can simply take it out and replace it with the other one. All you need to do is simply start taking the gears out. These 2 gears are actually locked with E-locks here. You can see my favorite E-locks again. To take the E-locks out, here we are. Put a thumb here because it will shoot out sometimes. Simply go away, push, and it's out. Alright, now the E-lock is out. All we need to do is push this one up. But remember, there is one little bar at the back side, a metallic bar, which actually locks the rotation of this small gear. Simply use a little force and push it out. Just take it out simply. There. This one actually locks this gear. Now you can simply take it out actually, just in case you don't lose it. Now that you have pushed this gear up, you don't have to actually do anything more on this gear, and this one is kind of free and there is only one bearing down there. So just pull it up and pull your spur gear out. There you are, all your gears are out. Now whatever gear is broken or teeth are worn out, all you need to do is simply purchase those gears and put them back in. Similarly, if your spur gear set is bad, just order a new one and slide it back in. Usually the metallic gear at the back of the spur gear does not worn out easily, but the plastic one will. If you want to be on the safe side, you can order the whole new piece from redcatracing.com or whoever is your supplier. Alright, now I'm assuming that we have just got the new gears, and let's just simply put them back in. Putting it back is as simple as taking it out. First, put this gear back in, and then tilting this one, and then just pulling it a little up, fixing the spur gear back in together with this one. Check. Alright, now tricky part is putting this little lock back in. Okay, sliding this little pin in so it will lock this gear, and then just start pushing this one downwards. Make sure it fits onto the pin nicely. Let me get you a good angle. There is the pin, and I'm going to push it down, and you can see the pin disappears. It locks onto that. Now you have fixed these gears. Okay, so I've got some sand in there, so all I'm gonna do is simply spray a little WD-40 type liquid. Here I have one called a 01. It actually stops the squeeze, lubricates all metal. So I'm gonna use this one onto these parts here, and hopefully, and it will simply clean up the sand from the bearing as well, and it will lubricate them as well. I will also spray them onto the gears. Now this particular liquid spray that I have here not only stops the squeaks into different moving parts, but it also lubricates them and later protects them from rusting or getting rusty. After the spray, I'm using a little tissue papers here, and you can see that now this piece is brand new again. Similarly, I'm just gonna dry off a little of the excess spray from this one. There you are. Everything is fixed and well lubricated. Now all we need to do is fix the plates back. Don't forget that there was one E-lock on this gear. Simply put this lock back so this gear won't come out. And now put the top plate back. Put the screws in. And finally, put the drive cup back. Remember that it should fit only one way on the provided cut or groove. Put a thumb on it and tighten it nicely. There you are. You have just fixed your single speed Red Cat racing transmission. You have just replaced the spur gear or other broken gears.